What's up, everybody? Welcome to John's Daily Hustle. So in this video we're going to go to a store and we're going to get some stuff that we're going to need for the rest of this week, as well as I've got new equipment to show you guys that I'm getting. And there's also one property that I got a call that we're going to go take a look at. I didn't know he was going to go look at, but we're going to go look at it and it's pretty cool. I want to show you guys something that's there. So let's jump into today's video. Well, we just got another one. You'll have to excuse that dog back there. And it goes all the way over. There's a well right over here, all the way up to the tree line. And eventually we're going to do a big brush clearing out I was talking to the customer about. But this is a pretty big one. It's just shy of 3 acres. But I wanted to show you guys this thing here. This guy used to do landscaping and lawn care out of this. He would drive mowers up into the back of it. He's got the winch on it. He had to lift it up in. I'll see if I can get a video of it Friday when he's here. But that thing's pretty sick. But anyways, this will be good. So I got it. This is one of those deals where I had no idea I was even going to be coming out today. It's raining. I was out just trying to catch up on paperwork and trying to get materials and stuff. I ended up getting some new equipment you guys will see later. But anyways, you know, getting some seed and stuff. I got a job coming up. I'll be doing some seeding and everything else like that. So I had no idea I was going to be really going out doing any kind of bidding or anything today. And it was just one of those things. My phone rang and I answered. And we got another one. So I came out here. It's 5 minutes around the corner from my house. So it's really nice too. You guys know I'm trying to get that route density down and to where I'm not driving as much anymore, but this will be a good one. You guys honestly never know when somebody's going to call you asking for a service. You may be down on your luck, things might not be going so well, you may have lost some customers, but I promise you, you'll bounce back in no time. As long as you're a good, honest person and you do good, honest work, I promise you, you'll pick back up on it. So just a little message to anybody that might be watching this that might be down on their luck. You never know when you're going to get a phone call. It's right around the corner. It could be right after this video is over. You could get a phone call. So you just never know. You know, hang in there. If times are hard, we'll get through it together. I also had to get me some seed and fertilizer because this week I'll be doing all the aerations and dethatching coming up, which you guys will see videos on that here pretty soon. But we got to get ready for it. This is just for one day tomorrow, so I'll have to go get more after tomorrow is over. I also got me a new leaf blower, which you guys will see in an upcoming video of me unboxing it and first trial on it. It was definitely time for me to get a new leaf blower. That Poulan Pro just wasn't cutting it anymore, considering I've used it for twice its life cycle anyways already. I'm pretty excited to try out that new blower. It definitely should be better than the Poulan Pro anyways. At least I think it will, but then again, maybe I'm not giving the Poulan Pro enough credit. Maybe the Poulan Pro is actually a pretty good blower for the price, so who knows, maybe I wish I ended up buying another one of those, but I don't think so. I'm kind of loyal to Echo. I hate to say I'm loyal to one brand, but Echo and Exmark seem to be my two brands that I'm pretty loyal to. But that doesn't mean I'm not going to try other brands too. I will eventually buy Stihl. I want to try a Stihl weed eater. It'll probably be the first thing I buy Stihl. Other than my chainsaw. Obviously I have a Stihl chainsaw, which I absolutely love and I won't replace that for anything. But I would like to try Stihl weed eaters and try them out and see how they do. And then, who knows, maybe I'll end up becoming a Stihl guy in the future, but right now I'm Echo. I also went to get mulching blades for the radius here, because as you guys know, fall time is coming. I'm going to need those mulching blades because I do a lot of leaf mulchings instead of just absolute cleanup. I actually mulch a lot of them. So, unfortunately, my dealer didn't have them. They were out of stock. Everyone's buying them up. So I'm going to try and scoop them up first thing in the morning from another dealer close here. We'll see if I can get them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did. I just wanted to bring y'all guys along with me as I go get some equipment, get some stuff, as well as that one property I had to show you guys because that was pretty cool. That guy really does landscaping out of the back of that truck. Well, he used to anyways. He's retired from it now, but he says he's wanting to get back into it. So I think it'd be cool. Who knows? Maybe me and him will do a collaboration in the future and I'll get to maybe go do some work with him and I'll get to see that beast in action. He says he pulled out tree stumps and stuff with it, which I think is pretty awesome. So anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.